What's up YouTube, MustangMatt here again, bringing you guys a brand new video today from my bedroom actually. But anyways, what today's video is about is got some stuff in the mail from Late Model Restoration, and so I thought I'd make a little unboxing video for you guys, so here we go. Alright, so I got you guys set up on my tripod here so you can see a little bit better. We got two packages, obviously. I hate when people do unboxing videos and they try to do everything handheld. It's kind of annoying, but I will show you guys some shots once I unbox them. I guess we'll start with the smallest thing here. Got my nice little knife here. $20 from China. Super sharp though, which is nice. So anyways, I ordered this stuff about a week ago from LMR.com, Late Model Restoration, and yeah, pretty fast shipping, so definitely a lot better than American Muscle, because ordered from them some other parts and it took like 2 weeks or something to get here, so happy about that. I don't know why they had to have so much wrapping. So here's the first package. Should probably give away what's in that box, but oh, this is actually ripped open. But those are them. It's my wheel stud kit. So my new wheel, I got the spline wheel studs, so you have a little tool here. Let me see if I can get it out. So you have this little tool that obviously accepts your socket or whatever, and has the right spline pattern for your lug nuts. So decided to get those. I think they should work. Actually, I can test that right now. Yep, does work. So I just my 5-lug front calipers are underneath my bed, so I just threaded it on the studs, to the wheel studs, to make sure it fit, and we're all good. So happy that fits. So those are the wheel studs that I'll be using. And then let me get this box open. This one was a little bit ridiculous with the staples. They stapled that first one. That one was stapled. That one was stapled. I wanted to show you guys that before I opened them, but oh, and then a box inside a box. Great. Why must you be so heavy? Doesn't help that there's staples stabbing me. Ow. Alright, finally. Let's open these bad boys up. I decided to go with the SVE drag wheels. They had similar specs compared to the Dark Stars and a couple other wheels I was looking at. Very similar specs. These in fact are lighter than the Dark Stars apparently, so that's what the website told me. and these are about half the cost, so. They look pretty fresh. I like them. They're not too bad. I think these weighed about 16 pounds. It doesn't have the center cap in it right now. Which I don't know. Oh, here it is. Nope. I don't know if the center cap's included. I thought it was. There's the Allen key for it. I'll check in this other box, but hopefully those are included. Otherwise I gotta pick up 2 center caps then. I think they were only like 20 bucks, so shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, I just wanted to show you guys some of the new stuff we got in the mail today. And yeah, check out the forum over at auto-mafia.com. Check out Wes's build on Auto-Mafia on his YouTube channel. And don't forget to just subscribe to me and comment down below. Let me know what you think of the wheels, and yeah, I'll check on those center pieces for the hubs. But I went ahead and got the 2 front wheels for now, and then when I go to do the rear axle, I'll get the rears later, but got the fronts for now. So all I need is my tires and my struts, and we can put the whole front end together. So stay tuned for that, and then coming up videos, and yeah, peace. Alright guys, so I'm an idiot. The wheel cap was in backwards, so all you had to do is take out all the bolts and flip the cap around, and now we got the nice SVE cap there. With I wish these were I wish these were black, but the little screws that hold the cap in, but it kind of accents the silver SVE, so not too bad, I guess.